Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the imposter gun kill animation from Among Us. As a follow-up to my other imposter kill animation tutorial, I'll be drawing the turnip's revenge against the carrot. As usual, I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper. Also, if you want to see more Among Us drawing tutorials, please check out my Among Us playlist. Now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the imposter on the left side. We're going to draw the face shield first. Start by drawing a straight line to the right and then curve it down. On the left side, draw a line down and curve it in. Now close off the shape with a straight line across, curving it up to meet the other line. From the top right of the face shield, draw a line up and curve it to the left for the top of the head. From this line, draw a line down for the left side of the body. Let's draw the other side of the body now. From the bottom right of the face shield, draw a line down and curve it in slightly at the bottom. Now let's hop back over to the left side. From the bottom of the line, draw a curved line across for the foot. Draw a straight line down here for the other side of the leg. Now draw a curve across for the bottom of the body. Draw the other leg with the same shape. Next, draw the backpack with a rectangular shape on the left side. Since this time the imposter will be the turnip, let's draw the leaf shape on the head now. Draw two short lines coming up from the top of the head here. Now draw two leaf shapes like this. Next, we're going to draw the hand holding the gun. Next to the face shield, draw a curved line here. From the top of the line, draw a curve up and back down and in for the thumb. Draw a small curved line down here. Draw another curve to close off the hand shape. Now next to the thumb, draw an oval. Next, let's draw the gun. From the top left of the hand, draw a short straight line. Now draw a straight line up to the right. Draw a short line down here. Then connect it back to the thumb with a straight line. From the end, draw another short line down and a short line in. Step in now and draw another short line down and connect it back to the hand with a straight line. Now between the thumb and the other finger, draw a short line down here. Draw an oval shape here for the next finger. Now under it, draw a curved half oval for the last finger. Draw two short lines down and finish it off with a curved line across. Lastly, let's add some details. On the top right, draw a small rectangle. On the top left, draw a small bump here. And then draw 3 diagonal lines inside here. That's it for the turnip imposter. Now let's draw his carrot victim. Down here, draw a line to the left and curve it down. Continue this line across to the right. Let's draw the back leg now. From the top left of the first leg, draw a curved line up, to the right, and angle it down slightly as you draw. Draw a short line in here. Now another line across. And close off the shape like this. Now I'm going to draw some circles in a curved pattern. Lastly, draw another leaf shape over on the ground on the right. And that's it for this Among Us Revenge of the Turnip Imposter drawing. Let's color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.